What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Reeve Henry and this is I Am Reverie. Together with me tonight is Team Phantom Hearts. Tonight, guys, we are going to be investigating this location on this channel for the first time ever. I've been wanting to go inside this abandoned hotel for the longest time, and now is the perfect time to do that with my brothers from Phantom Hearts, with Yoon Shi-won, of course. This is my brother Eden, and this is Rove. So together, we will uncover the truth and the mysteries inside the Diplomat Hotel. Meron tayong bolang dala-dala because sabi nga meron daw rin papakitang bata dito. So susubukan natin ibigay itong regalo na to sa kanya, and also we're gonna be using some spirit balls. It's potion ball, but I call it spirit balls. We're gonna be using the SP7 spirit box, the EMF meter, and the voice EVP voice recorder. So hopefully meron tayong magandang pa-capture ngayong gabi. Hopefully a solid apparition para sa inyong mga viewers.
Greetings, souls. Join us as we investigate the unseen here at the Diplomat Hotel.
I'm taking a video. You should take pictures, Bong, huh?
Okay.
In every section, like a couple of shots. You go for some. Welcome to the Philippines. Ghouls, we are here. Sinadya na namin hindi sabihin yung history and also yung mga claims ng mga witness ng mga hauntings dito sa loob ng Diplomat Hotel. Kasi alam niya naman na Diplomat Hotel is one of the most haunted dito sa may Pilipinas. So, let's go. I've been here many times, but this is the first time na makakapag-investigate ako dito.
Wait. He's in the second floor.
Second floor? Alright. We'll just stay here first on the first.
Yoon Shi-won, the captain of Phantom Hearts, entered the building 15 minutes ahead before everyone.
Oh, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not fitting in yet.
But it's look different in the Korean, you know. This is hospital.
No,
Hotel.
This is a former hotel. It's like a retreat house for the priests and the nuns.
It looks like a church here.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
It's confusing how the Baguio weather affects our investigation, because we couldn't determine if the cold is from the weather or a paranormal already.
Yeah, actually, I will respect. Okay, let's use first the. Wait a minute, where's my?
This one?
Yeah. Oh no, wait, it's with me.
Okay.
Okay, let's.
EMF meter is used to detect possibly unexplained fluctuations in electromagnetic fields.
We're looking for you. Ito na yung chance para magpakita ang mga multo rito. Okay, so for now, guys, exploration muna tayo.
Wait. It was us?
Yeah.
I think it's her.
You see something? You saw something?
I saw a white moving.
White moving.
Yeah.
Outside. Oh, there.
What is this?
Oh, that's a handprint. Huh?
That's not yours?
It's not.
Maybe from before.
Yeah, we can check the footage. Yeah. I hope na-capture ng camera yun. Sabi ni Rove, he saw a white like mist, right? Oh, look. Look.
My
Yours is
more
yeah.
sensitive.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, because you were the one who noticed it.
You're the one who noticed it.
Yeah.
That's why. Nakita nyo guys, pinagtabi namin yung EMF natin. Yung sa kanya, nagpumitek. But mine, hindi. Kasi siya yung nakakita. That's what he said.
What happened?
Don't leave me alone. Very scary.
Let's go then.
As skeptical believers, we always debunk ourselves before anyone does, and after reviewing the footage, we settled with the thought that it was from Reeves' flashlight. But what about you? What do you think of it?
Now this is the fountain. On this side, they say there's a lot of...
On this side, a magic happened.
Oh, we were together. Alright. So guys,
Hello,
this
nice
is
to
my
meet
brother
you.
Chi-won.
Hello.
Subscribe to their channel. He is the captain of Phantom Hearts.
Subscribe to their almost 1 million subscribers channel.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Let's go.
다 돌아오셨어요? 어떠세요?
This is the main. This is the main gate. This is the main entrance. This one.
Do you know the where is the appear spot? What's the appear spot? Do you know?
The ghostly spot.
Yes.
They say here. Here in the fountain area. They say. That's what they said. They say it's here.
Here.
The fountain area is said to be the scariest spot, as there were many apparitions captured by explorers, investigators, or even just visitors.
A lot of the ghost videos that you see is right here. In that show earlier, that is where they captured the nun.
Reeve was telling them the history of the place and told them some evidences of the hauntings by some witnesses. And when he mentioned about the nun, Rove said that what he saw earlier looks like someone dressed as a nun.
A nun? Yeah.
Suddenly, there's a loud rustle from the leaves.
I heard it. But it's like right there, right here. Dahon. Leaves.
Experiencing here. Sa mga multo na nandito, we want you to show up. Gusto namin magpakita kayo. In front of us. What are you experiencing here?
It's a bat.
This is the bigger one. The bigger.
Bigger fountain.
Wow. I just got goosebumps. May kasama ba kami sa mga oras na to? Can you make a sound? Pwede ka ba mag-ingay?
생각보다는 아닌데 미국 말대로 약간 런칭 아니면 뒤에 쫓아오는 느낌이랄까? 그런 느낌인데
Naghahanap kami ng mga espiritu na nandito, kung meron man. Pwede kang magsalita so we can capture you sa audio. Pwede kang magpakita so we can capture you on cam. Wow.
Hehe.
Ganda, ang ganda.
Ano, picture ka?
maging alerto ka po nga kasi sabi nila dito daw sa Diplomat, mabilis yung mabilis nagpapakita yung mga multo, bigla lang dumadaan dyan. Especially here, ditong mga side na yan.
Baka gusto mong mag-picture.
Picture, go.
Hindi, ikaw.
Sige, picture tayo.
Dito sa fountain.
Okay.
Ano, patayin ko muna yung video or sa video lang ako mag-picture?
Yes, video na. Ilaw ko kay Ligon. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
To all the ghosts in here, say cheese. Okay.
Ili-ili tuluganay, wala diri mo nanay. Bye.
Gusto niyo yan?
Eli. Tulugan na.
Dito tayo kanina guys.
Diyan tayo dumaan kanina.
Okay. Pag tinignan mo siya talagang intimidating siya. Look. Pero ito kasi open. View natin from outside, so I guess wala dito.
Yeah.
Pero there have been videos na nakulan
Mga shadow, mga anino.
Kailangan lang tayo. Alerto.
Alert lang.
Dahil baka meron tayo makapture. Like here. In 3, 2, and 1, smile. One more, smile. 3, 2, 1, smile.
Taking pictures while exploring and investigating is a great method to capture visual evidence.
Oh, they're upstairs.
Ano yung ilaw? Ilaw nila yun? Or...
Yeah, ilaw nila. Sa taas tayo mag-start ng investigation, guys. Kasi dito sa baba parang...
It's not really...
Hey, ghouls. Are you here? Wala, maliit. Okay, so Pong, ikaw. How do you feel?
So far, I'm not feeling any... Ano pa?
Ooh, hi.
Thrill or like...
Anyone in here? Let's take a picture. 3, 2, 1. You know, mga multo rito, if you are here, now is the best time.
Takutin niya yung mga Koreano.
Takutin niyo sila.
Gusto kong marinig silang
We want to hear
sumigaw.
them scream. Okay guys, as you can see, picture taking muna tayo ngayon. Nasa taas pa sila. So we're just here, yung nasa baba. Trying to capture. And wow, this is the entrance. Okay, here is like to show up. We're here. Let's take a picture.
Tayo ka dyan, Pong. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Okay, so as of now, we're just trying to observe muna. Dahil yung una muna nating pagbigyan sila sa taas, ang Phantom Hearts. Because,
May kalabog.
wait a minute.
Red? Baka yung ano nila. Naks. Sino nga yung inaano nila ng mga may kalabog?
May nalaglag na gamit nila.
You guys okay? Asan na yung ano mo?
Are you guys okay? What is that? Something may fell?
Some kalabog.
Our equipment.
Oh, your equipment. Oh, so sorry for that. Okay, carry on.
Right.
Dito nga tayo. Alam mo, dito ko talaga gusto bumalik kasi before, Yung mga videos na nakikita natin.
Dito ba yung tumpak, Tom?
Yeah. So,
Sige.
we will do that here.
Uy, Pum! Samok.
We will try to recreate. Oh my God! It fell. It moved, bro. Bro. It's connected, bro.
It's connected. It's the tumpak, Tom. Ay, sorry. Yun ako, baka mahulog yan sa tubig.
No. We will see. Steady na siya.
Steady yan. So, if nahulog siya doon, then that's not
Pero,
us.
It's a different story. Pwedeng hangin. But we will put some spirit balls in here.
Ghost ball is the easiest device for spirit communication.
5 balls.
It is sensitive to even the slightest
Meron
movement.
daw kasing bata dito na nagpapakita. So, gusto natin hawakan yan, pagalawin niya. And also, to the spirits, gusto natin hawakan yung mga spirit balls natin. Aside from that, we will be using our SB7 spirit box to check if there was a noise over there.
We'll check the footage.
Oh, saan mo nakapture? May narinig ako as in. But yeah, let's use this spirit box to try to communicate. Sweep rate natin is 200. I'll be using the
Spirit
sweep,
boxes are
reverse
paranormal research
sweep.
devices that quickly scan through radio stations. If there are spirits that want to communicate, they may potentially stop on a radio station, so a clear word or phrase cuts through the white noise.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng espiritu o kaluluwa na nandito sa Diplomat Hotel. Gusto lang po namin nakatunayan na meron talagang mga multo rito, kaya kami nandito ngayong gabi. Gusto namin makapag-usap kayo sa amin kung kaya nyo. If not, pwede nyong hawakan ang mga bola na nasa harapan ninyo. Hinahanap ko ang bata at mga madre o pare na mga namatay dito. I'm sure you guys know na pupunta kami dito. Alam nyo na pupuntahan namin kayo dito. So, can you please show us a sign that you are here with us right now? Pwede nyo pagalawin yung bola na orange. Pwede nyo hawakan alin man sa mga bola para lang alam namin kung may multo talaga dito. We'll give you a chance. Ayun sila sa taas, pakita mo lang po. Kasi baka may marinig kayo even they are upstairs. Ayan, nandun sila. Phantom Hearts.
Ay, kuya! Shit!
Okay.
Nagulat ako.
Apple got surprised because the guard suddenly appeared from behind.
Okay. So one more time, can you show up? Pwede ba kayo magpakita sa aming harapan? Kung meron kayong gustong sabihin nyo na ngayon. I'll give you a chance. Nandito pa ba kayo sa loob ng Diplomat Hotel? May mga multo ba dito? Yes or no? Amang. One more chance. Pwede mo bang sabihin ang pangalan mo kung may kasama kami sa mga oras na ito? One more time. Say your name. Let us know kung ano pangalan nyo. Sabihin mo kung ano pangalan mo. May sinasabi, but you know, observe natin yan. As you notice guys, hindi ako yung mga narinig ko, hindi ko binabanggit kasi
Mamaya.
upon reviewing the footages, dun namin narinig talaga while wearing earphones or headphones.
Yeah.
Ngayon kasi mahirap talaga ma-distinguish kung ano sinasabi ni SB7. So we're just trying to ask questions and we will check. We will see if meron tayong answers na makukuha. For the very last time, is there anything you wanna say? Meron ka bang gustong sabihin sa amin ngayon? Nagagambala ka ba namin? Chance mo na para magsalita. Okay. So, hanggang dyan muna yung pag-uusap natin. Sana makausap ka pa namin mamaya-mayang konti. We'll give you one more chance. I'll give you 10 seconds. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you, thank you.
Shy but shy kayo. Bakit sa ibang biskot ka pong kapangyarihan ng bakit sa ibang vlogger ang daming ganap?
Sa ibang nag-vlog dito, ang daming ganap.
Daming ganap Bakit sa amin, ano ba yan? Ano to? May talent fee yata yung mga multo dito pong. Biskot ka yung mo.
Okay, change location tayo. Let's go.
Yan, okay.
How's the investigation, guys? Good? There's nothing here. Alam niyo guys, totoo naman yung sinasabi. Pagka mas marami, syempre, mas kampante ka. But it doesn't mean na walang magpapakita. Kasi ang multo, kung gusto magpakita, papakita yung anytime. Kaya mga nagsasabi na solo, alone challenge.
Piste.
Yung
What a
ghost
term.
hunting, yung paranormal investigation, hindi matapangan yan. So, no need to say that.
Ghost hunting often involves a combination of curiosity, technology, and a respectful approach to exploring a paranormal phenomena, rather than just
May
bravery.
mga kuan.
Looking at these paintings, it seems like it's been painted not a long time ago. Looks like some artist recently came here and did this, and the people on the paintings are the beauty of the different tribes of Benguet.
Siguro mas maganda tong diplomat kung may gamit pa. Yung may mga natira pang gamit from way back. Kasi ngayon, sobrang plain na.
Saan ba si Bill tinulak ng multo daw? Pong.
Sa baba. Sa baba siya. Speaking of Bill Ordway, our American ghost hunter friend.
Mentor.
My mentor. Our mentor actually, nagpunta siya dito, I think last year or a couple of years ago. Kasama niya gwardiya lang. Dalawa lang sila. Meron siyang video, nag-shoot siya ng video, nag-investigate siya, he was trying to communicate, gusto niya kausapin yung multo, but then, tinulak siya, as he claims, tinulak siya ng something na hindi niya nakita. Napasubsub daw siya, napasubsub siyang ganyan.
He showed you the video, right?
Yeah, he showed me the video. And yung gwardyang kasama niya at that time, kumaripas ng takbo. Dinig na dinig sa video niya. So, I think there's some truth with regards sa mga claims dito ng mga nagpapakita multo. But, that's why we're here. That's why nag-investigate tayo to get that evidence. Oh, here. This is the room. This is the room na sinasabi niya.
Na ano?
Na dito daw talaga active. Kasi, before, ito yung kwarto. Hindi ko alam kung tama ako, pero ito yung kwarto nung parang namahala dito before. So I think, if there is a place to do an Estes method, I think this is the perfect place.
And the furnace.
Yes, and this is the perfect place to investigate. Now, we're gonna put this ball here.
Bayan, magparamdam kayo. Wala man lang akong nafe-feel na kahit ano.
There you go. Now, it's steady.
Hindi kuha yung bola.
It's boom.
I didn't do anything.
Laban na?
Probably.
It's fine. It's fine. Hindi ba kita yung bola?
Hindi kita. Doon na lang.
Okay, one more session, and I'll be using the recorder. So right now, gagamit tayo ng very
Electronic voice phenomena, or EVP, are sounds found on electronic recordings that are interpreted as spirit voices.
Okay, naghahanap po kami ng mga espiritu o kaluluwa na nandito kasama namin sa mga oras na ito. Gusto lang po namin kayo makausap, o baka naman pwede kayo magpakita sa amin, magpakuha sa camera, dahil yun lang po ang gusto namin, yun lang ang pinunta namin dito. Sinasabi nila na marami daw espiritu dito, na nagpapakita, nagpaparamdam. Pwede nyo bang hawakan isa man sa mga bolang nilatag ko sa inyong harapan. Pwedeng hawakan, pwede nyong galawin, and syempre, pwede kayong magpakita at pwede kayong magsalita. Ibigyan ko kayo ng ilang segundong katahimikan para magsalita kayo. Now po, patay may ilaw. Pwede kayo magsalita, pero baka yung gustong sabihin sa amin. One more time, pailawin nyo ang mga bola na nasa inyong harapan kung talagang malakas kayo. Sabi kasi sa amin, ang mga multo raw dito talagang malakas, nagpapakita. So kung talagang malakas kayo, magpakita na kayo ngayon na. Kung kasama namin kayo, kung may kasama kami sa mga oras na ito, maaari mo ba akong tabihan? Pwede mo bang hawakan itong hawak ko o hawakan yung mga bola? Kung magsasalita ka sa tabi ko, maririnig ka ng voice recorder natin. Kung meron kang gustong sabihin mo na ngayon na. Nandito kami para makapag-away.
Tiyatay. Totoo yan. O ano? Piskot ka. Baka maingayan sila ano ha?
Anyone in here, pahilayan mo isa man sa mga bola. Pwede ba yun? Ito, meron bola sa tabi ko. Hey guys, hindi umiilaw.
Maingayan.
Nakikita nyo, hindi umiilaw. But then, yan, so gumagana siya.
Sinipa mo eh.
I will not touch that again. Pero nakita nyo, pumadyak-padyak ako sa tabi niya. Patunayan lang sa inyo para lang mapakita ko sa inyo na hindi naman siya nag-trigger basta-basta sa vibration. One more time, bago kayo patay ang recorder, pwede ka bang magpakita sa harapan namin? Now is the chance to show up. Gusto mo ba ng English? Gusto mo ng Tagalog? Gusto mo ng Korean? Annyeonghaseyo? Last chance in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, low, and 1. Thank you, spirits. Dilipat kami ng pwesto. One more session. Sana magparamdam ka na at magpakita sa camera. Thank you. As you can see guys, ito, makikita nyo, may mga parang footprints here. Long, here. Look.
Oo.
See this?
Bakit daw?
Yan.
Dugo yan? Ano yan?
Footprints.
Nang nino?
Ito, dito yung sinasabing bata.
Ay, hindi ko maniniwala. Wala akong na-feel. Magpakita ka. Ay, magparamdam ka. Rooftop na pala to eh.
Picture po.
Hey kid, are you here? Do you wanna play some games?
Hello!
Bata.
Bata, paano ka ginawa? Ito guys, itong mapasukan natin ngayon. This is the place na sinasabi kung saan may nagpakamatay daw na babae na tumalon galing dito.
Anong year? Sige, flashlightan mo yung...
A couple of years ago. This What's that?
Ay, wait, blur.
Oh, look. Pero you know what? Meron ako napanood na isang ghost hunting team ng mga foreigners. In-explain nila na itong diplomat, hindi talaga daw haunted. Yun ang verdict nila. And yung mga nakikita nyo yung pagpitik na itong EMF. And
Sino sila? I actually don't feel anything. Promise. Wala akong ma-feel.
Wala kaming ma-feel sa totoo lang. Well, maybe because nga marami kaming...
Anong marami? Mas marami nga yung mga naunang
just so
nag-vlog
you know,
sa atin.
5 kaming nandito ngayon. Yan. Ito, may nakikita kayong pumipitik. Kasi ang explanation nila, kasi may cell tower daw na malapit dito.
Ah. Makes sense.
Hanapin natin yung bata. Bata!
Wata! Let's play!
We were only allowed to be inside for 1.5 hours because the guard told us that police will be patrolling, so this happened.
Police?
Police?
Where?
Police or security?
Yes.
Quiet.
Where's your... Okay.
Here.
It's here with me. Turn off. Just be quiet. Yes. Okay.
Quiet daw muna. Guys, ASMR. This is an ASMR investigation. Kasi may police.
No flashlights. No flashlight. Yun si Juan. They know. Okay, only 30. Okay. Just be quiet first. Alam nilang may tao dito. Wala mo nang gagalaw. Stay here. Stay here first.
And we were given 10 minutes more to finish our investigation.
Namin ang bata na nagpapakita daw dito. Meron kaming dalang laruan sa'yo. Baka naman pwede mo siyang paglaruan. Nadagdagan ko pa nung niinom na bola. Ayan, ito ko nilagay para...
Sige na. Magparamdam ka na kasi pinapaalis na kami.
Paano pwede mo paglaruan yung mga bolang nilagay ko dyan? Paano mo pwede mo pakitang sign na nandito ka? Para lang alam namin. Pwede mo bang hawakan yung bola na yan? Pwede mo bang pagalawin yung bola?
Paglamig.
Hawakan ko mga ito. Ilawin mo lang. Uy. Nakuhanan mo?
Alin?
Kumalaw!
Communicating with the spirits through commanding is Reeves' personal favorite paranormal interaction method. We usually realize the responses upon reviewing the footage, leaving us surprised and in disbelief sometimes.
Konting-konti, lumapit ka. Oo, masyado, okay? Yan, ganyan lang. Pwede mo bang hawakan yung bola? Pagalawin mo lang kahit konti.
Pag napagalaw mo yan, sa'yo na. Iiwanan na namin. Iiwanan na namin.
Upon reviewing, we noticed these 3 flickers on the screen the same time Reeves said, "Look, it's moving."
I'm not joking. Kailangan mong makitang maigi po.
Hindi ko alam eh, kasi
Pwede
yung...
mong pagalawin ng malakas.
Yung anino kasi yung...
Guys, ito, take note. May hangin dito, pero hindi ganun kalakas. Malamig lang siya. Now, gusto namin pagalawin mo yung bola. Paggulungin mo lang kahit konti. Pwede mo bang pagulungin yung bola? Kahit konti lang. Gusto lang namin ang katunayan na nandito kasama namin. Konting galaw lang. Pwede ba yun? Bibilangan kita. Kasi gusto namin makapaglaro sa iyo eh. Baka naman pwede ka makapaglaro sa amin. Pwede mo bang hawakan tong bola na to? Hinahanap namin yung batang nandito. Kahit konti lang. Paglaruan mo naman yung bola. Dinalang ka namin ng bola, ayaw mong paglaruan. Ano naman kami yung masamang pakay sa'yo, gusto na nga yung makapaglaro eh. Kaya mo bang pagalawin yung bola? You see that? Nakikita ba dyan sa video po?
Hindi masyado eh.
Lumapit ka. Kailangan mo lumapit. Upo ka dyan sa tabi niya.
Dito nga ako kasi ano eh.
Yan.
Hindi ko alam kung anong nakikita mo. Kasi anino nga yung nakikita ko dun.
Baba. Okay. One more time. Nakikita ko napapagalaw niya ng konti. But still, maybe hangin.
Hangin yata.
Maybe hangin. May konting dampi ng hangin.
See, on that side, wala akong nakikitang galaw. Nung nandito na ako ngayon, nakita ko.
One more time. Pagalawin mo yung bola kung may kasama kami.
Pagalawin mo, tsaka pailawin mo.
Tsaka pailawin mo yung bola katabi niya.
ako.
Paglaruan mo yung dalawa na yan. Zoom mo yan pong. Zoom. One more time. Last time. Gusto lang namin paglaruan mo yung bolang dala namin para sa'yo.
Yun na, bebe.
Sige na, huwag ka na mahiya. Hindi naman kami masamang tao. Gusto lang namin makipaglaro. Joke lang yung nagpunta kami para makipag-away. Hindi talaga kami makikipag-away sa'yo. Gusto lang namin magparamdam ka.
Pag napagalaw ba niya yan ng galaw talaga, as in galaw, sa kanya na ba yan?
Matutuwa kami sa'yo.
Sa kanya na yan?
Hindi ka makipag-usap sa amin, magsasalita ka lang.
Ano ibibigay mo sa kanya?
Pag napagalaw mo yan, iiwan ko yan dito.
Iwan na.
Pero gusto ko malakas sipain mo nga. Can you sipa the ball? I'll give you a moment of silence. Let's just observe guys in 3, 2, 1.
The silence is deafening. Upon reviewing the footage, no EVPs were captured by the voice recorder.
Last chance. Papagalawin mo yung bola. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ayaw mo ba talaga?
Ay, sakit na ng likod ko.
Okay, ayaw niya talagang pagalawin ng bola. Naisip ako, ipapabalik natin sa kanya.
Wala na si kuya.
Kuya mo to? Gusto ko namin, ibalik mo sa amin to ha. Pwede mo bang hawakan?
Or ibalik mo or roll it on any direction you want to.
Balik mo nga sa amin. Pwede mo ba ibalik yung bola sa amin? Char. Thank you.
Wala. Hindi na yan may bibigay sa'yo.
Wala na, hindi ko
Iuwi.
sa'yo ito.
Iuwi namin.
Okay. Yung recorder natin nakabukas pa rin, no? Kasi
Ayun yung mga
i-review natin
opa.
to.
Opa!
Okay. I guess we are done here sa Diplomat Hotel. Hopefully meron na-capture yung camera natin, may sumagot sa SB7 natin, and some other activities, and may na-capture din ng Phantom Hearts. Let's see if there is, hopefully.
Hi.
We went upstairs, we're trying to
Play.
look for the child. You want him to maybe touch this ball and play with it. Nada. Nada. So, good? Yeah. So, spirits, thank you. Thank you for letting us in. Thank you for having us.
Wala na tong...
Salamat po.
Wala nang ano to. Oh.
Okay guys, so I guess that's it for this Diplomat Hotel investigation. Again, this is the first time ever na pinasok namin to, and who knows, mukhang babalikan natin to with Jerel kasi we wanted to spend more time but limitado lang talaga tayo ngayon. So sayang, but it's fine. That sums up our investigation dito sa Diplomat Hotel, and curious ako malaman to, Pong, how's the experience and what can you say about our investigation? Anong may naramdaman ka ba sa loob? Kamusta yung feeling ng nasa loob ng Diplomat Hotel? Wala kasi
5 lang naman tayo at hindi naman tayo magkakasama kasi sabi nila di ba pag marami hindi nagpaparamdam. But lagi naman tayong like for example nung marami din tayo sa police station sa Villa pero ang dami natin.
Yeah.
Like,
well, that's the thing guys, you know.
Feel, but dito wala as in.
Yeah.
Zero.
I would agree kasi again, sinabi ko na kanina, hindi mo kailangang solo just to feel anything and para sa mga multo na magpakita. Kasi you never know, kahit marami, kahit konti, pwede magpakita yan. In fact, in the videos, yung mga nagtitrend na videos, di ba? Nagti-TikTok pa nga yung iba, marami at daytime. Anytime, they can show up. If they want to, they will show up. But unfortunately tonight, upon observing dun sa investigation namin, sa loob, habang nag-ikot kami, there's really nothing. Pero opinion lang namin yan opinion lang natin to. Maybe, ito yung opinion lang namin, ito yung experience namin, hindi namin sinasabi na wala talaga. Hindi natin tinatanggal yung claims ng marami, ng mga naka-witness dito. But however, again, for tonight's investigation, there's nothing. But, check pa rin natin yung footages natin. Check natin kung may na-capture tayo sa SB7 and the rest. And yung bola kanina na binigay ko, medyo gumalaw siya, pero I'm not sure, maybe because may hangin. Kasi may naramdaman akong hangin kanina. Nasa 3rd floor tayo nun eh. Yes, yung pinakataas. Pero, hindi naman kalakasan. Pero still, may hangin. So, pwedeng ma-debunk. Sana nakuna ng camera yung paggalaw niya para makita nyo rin. And so,
kahit yung ghost balls wala.
Kahit yung ghost balls wala. Tinry ko na yung kapangyarihan ko, gumagano na ako, but really wala. So, with that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, we are with Team Phantom Hearts. They are over there. And we want to say thank you, peace, love, and respect to everyone. Take care, God bless. Diplomat Hotel is done. See you again next time. Thank you, spirits. Alright, again, my name is Reeve Henry.
This is Apple Fernandez.
We are your ghost detectives.
The skeptical believers.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow our Facebook page. So, thank you once again. We are
gone.
What the?
That's a good try.
I got.
Hindi masyadong klaro. Madilim eh.
We are your ghost detectives, who are skeptical believers, but we always embrace the unknown, where reality meets the supernatural.